Toenail Complex, the revolution for healthy toenails. Keeping your toenails healthy can be a challenge, but now there's a powerful solution. Toenail Complex is an exclusive formula developed by experts that combines natural oils and restorative vitamins to strengthen and revitalize your nails. Unlike traditional creams, this innovative spray releases microparticles that penetrate deep into the skin and nails, promoting fast and effective action. Inside each drop of Toenail Complex, you'll find a patented blend of ingredients such as sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera, vitamin E and essential oils, providing intense hydration, strengthening and antifungal protection. Application is simple and practical. Just spray directly onto your toenails and let the ingredients take effect. Without harsh chemicals, this natural formula helps renew your nails, combating dryness and peeling. Experience the difference of a technology created to deeply care for your nails and restore the health and beauty they deserve. Don't wait any longer to transform your nails. Try Toenail Complex and see the results.